How much of your day do you spend jumping between browser tabs, copy-pasting snippets, and trying to pull together a coherent answer from 5 different sources? Google Gemini can do all of that in one conversation, and it connects directly to your Google Workspace. Here is a clear, step-by-step workflow to put it to work today. Start by going to gemini.google.com and signing in with your Google account. If you use Google Workspace through your company, sign in with your work account so Gemini can access your Docs, Drive, and Gmail. You will land on a simple chat interface. That input box is your command center. At the top of the screen, you can select which version of Gemini you are using. Gemini Advanced, powered by the most capable model, handles complex reasoning, long documents, and nuanced writing far better than the free tier. For serious business work, Gemini Advanced is worth the upgrade. It is included in Google One AI Premium. Before you ask your question, give Gemini a role and context in your first message. For example, tell it you are a marketing manager preparing a competitive brief, or a finance analyst summarizing a quarterly report. This single habit dramatically sharpens the tone, depth, and format of every answer it gives you. Gemini can read documents, spreadsheets, and images you upload directly into the chat. Click the attachment icon next to the input box and add your file, a contract, a report, a data export, whatever you are working with. Once it is uploaded, you can ask specific questions about that file instead of reading through it yourself. Vague prompts get vague answers. Tell Gemini exactly what format you want, a bullet list, a table, a short paragraph, and who the audience is. The more specific your instruction, the less editing you will have to do on the output. Think of it like briefing a smart analyst. The better your brief, the better their work. One of Gemini's biggest advantages for professionals is its native connection to Google Workspace. In the chat, you can reference specific docs, emails, or Drive files by using the @ connector. Ask Gemini to summarize last week's emails from a client, or pull key points from a doc in your Drive, without ever leaving the chat. Always read Gemini's output before you use it. AI tools can confidently state things that are out of date or subtly wrong, especially with numbers, statistics, or legal details. Treat the first response as a strong draft, not a final answer. Spot check any facts that matter, and use follow-up prompts to correct or refine anything that is off. Gemini holds the full context of your conversation, so you do not need to start over when you want to adjust something. Just type a follow-up, make this shorter, change the tone to be more formal, or add a section on budget implications. Each round gets you closer to exactly what you need, with almost no manual rewriting. When your output is ready, you can export it directly to Google Docs with a single click using the export button below the response. From there it is ready to share, format, or build on with your team. What used to take an hour of research and drafting now takes 10 minutes, and you have a polished document to show for it. That is the core Gemini workflow. Set context, upload your materials, ask specific questions, check the output, and export when you're happy. Pick one real task on your plate this week, a report, a brief, a set of emails, and run it through this process. You will see exactly where the time savings show up.